I'm sure we've all heard that the husband is supposed to be the head of the household. Today I want to show you where the Apostle Paul instructs women to rule the household. We're going to go to 1 Timothy 5:14, and this is in the context of Paul teaching about widows, and he says, I will therefore that the younger women marry, bear children, guide the house. Give no occasion to the adversary to speak reproachfully. So the word that we're going to look at is the word that's translated here, guide the house. We're looking at the interlinear, and here's the Greek, and the word that we're going to look at is here, guide the house. And it's Strong's 3616.
Strong's G 3616. Oikodespoteo. Oikodespoteo.
So we're going to click on the lexicon to look at the Strong's definition. And we see that in the King James it occurs only once, and the King James translates it, guide the house. Outline of biblical usage: to be master or head of a house, to rule a household, manage family affairs. Strong's definition: to be the head of or rule a family, guide the house. Thayer's Greek lexicon: to be master of a house, to rule a household, manage family affairs. So there's definitely that idea of being the master, the head, and ruling the household. We're going to look at more etymology. This was a verb, and there's also the noun is used more frequently in Scripture. So let's look at that. So this is the noun, and it gives us a little bit more etymology. The oikos part of it is house, household, home. And the despotes part of it is lord or master. And you may recognize that despotes sounds like our English word despot, which means a ruler or other person who holds absolute power. So this word occurs 12 times and is translated goodman of the house, master of the house, goodman, householder. And if you want to see where that occurs, you can scroll down, and all the verses where it occurs are here at the bottom. It's a very nice and easy way of doing word studies and seeing how the word is used elsewhere. So let's go over here, and this is Bible Hub, which is another useful tool where we can see a lot of translations lined up together. Now, although in the context Paul's addressing widows, he's talking to young wives and telling them to rule their households, manage their households, and give the enemy no opportunity for slander. So they have this responsibility that Paul wants them to have. So New International Version, manage their homes. New Living, take care of their homes. Manage, manage, manage. But there are some versions, some of the newer versions. The New Heart English Bible says rule the household. Aramaic Bible in Plain English, lead their households. New American Standard from 1977 is keep house, which is a very weak translation in my opinion. Jubilee Bible 2000, govern the house. King James 2000, rule the house. So there you see that when you're reading your English Bible, sometimes it's helpful to look behind the translation at the Greek words and see if you can discern any more about what this is saying to us. Hope you enjoyed the study.